Hi, hello buddies. Today I'm going to show you the top 5 amazing websites that will be useful to prank your friends on various topics. If you really don't know or if you like minimum 3 websites, then you must subscribe to our channel. This is the challenge. So now we begin the video. Okay buddies, now the first website is the hackertyper.net. In this website, whatever you type from your keyboard will be accessed as a code, or you can look the programming as you are doing, but it was completely fake. It was a predefined code, so that whatever you type, you can look that you are typing as or you are hacking, but it was completely fake. By this website, you can prank your friends as you are hacking or doing something. When you click the Alt key in your keyboard, then it will show that access granted. Simply you can find that it has been hacked. So this will be very useful to prank on your friends and threatening to your friends. Even you can suggest this website to your friends. Now the second. This was fake Windows update screen. This can be used in any system which you are using, maybe MacBook, Windows or any other. Just simply select the thumbnail of the company and then click F11 button so that it will display on your whole screen. By using this website, you can prank your friends that your system was being in update so that you can't use your system right now and other purposes. And you can use the link given in the description for all the 5 websites. And now see the other ones. This was completely fake, and you can just by clicking F11 button you can display on the whole screen. And now see Windows 7 update. Just this was very simple. This was fakeupdate.net. Okay buddies, now the third website is the official red button appreciation page. This is just used for entertainment or just for time pass, and here it's just showing us don't press. According to the human psychology, you will just immediately press the button, and now you start pressing, there will be many things, it will be continuously rolling, and this was endless till the levels and the passes on, but it will not stop. It's showing I hate you, cut off your head with a toothbrush, and funny things will be happening. It will start stages and levels. See, the round 2 was started and many red dots were being displayed, and you need to select the correct one so that you go to the next stage. Oh my god, see now it's showing ha 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 ha, and now you could not even start imagining how many more dots will be coming soon. Okay guys, without wasting time, let's go to the fourth one. And now the fourth one is the fake Facebook status generator. Okay, now let me show it for you. Now I am just typing Andy and hey, I am Andy and I am going to school. And now see on the right side, you can see it was being generated everything what I typed. Now likes, it's infinite, you can aim to what you want, and it just look like the real ones. If you can download from the JPG image or JPG file, now it's showing me the next. Hey, everything whatever you want you can set, even the time and the next comments. You can even write your comments by yourself, and it will be used to prank your friends. All the websites just to prank. Okay, now the text like and the comment text be, you can even select it must be in public or in friends so that the logo will be displayed on the page. And on the page you can see that 2 minutes back and it's public. And now you can even write or you can even add comments. Let me show that for you. See that, here I am TN likes 5 and it being generated. Hey, I am TN and 11 minutes back and 5 likes for that. You can simply take screenshots, or you can even download in the form of JPG image, and if you send to your friends, they will be amazed to see this of many likes than your imagination. Window tools, you can even download it from the window tools. Okay guys, we have discussed 4 among our 5 websites, and I think you must not have known 3. So now subscribe to our channel for more better good videos. Okay, now the last but not the least website is the Google Gravity. You can just simply type Google Gravity in your Google search bar, so that directly you can see many websites and you can click anything among them, or you can use the description link given in the description, and you can play with all the bars like YouTube, mail, everything. They're just being falling down as the gravity extracts them. But this was just for fun. There is not much use for this. So that guys, please like, share the video, as this is very useful for you and to your friends to prank. Thank you. Meet you in the next video guys.
It's caught in the crossfire.